Take your reading game to the next level with our top 5 picks for the best books to read in 2023. We'll show you the latest must-read titles and help you find a book that speaks to you. Stay ahead of the curve and discover new authors and genres, all while being inspired by some of the best stories out there. Subscribe now for access to amazing book reviews and get ready for a year of unforgettable reading. Best finance books of all time. 1. The Intelligent Investor. The definitive book on value investing. This book has sold over 100 million copies and is a great source of financial knowledge. It will help you become wealthy, while also enabling you to make ethical decisions as you grow. The real-life examples of Thomas Edison and Henry Ford make the book even more appreciable. Even though it was written in the 20th century, the learnings and knowledge are applicable still today. This is why the book is classified as one of the best financial books of all time. Number 3. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book has been around for over 20 years, earning it the reputation of being one of the greatest financial books ever written. It is obvious that there are certain things which make this book stand out from the rest. In the book, Kiyosaki shares what he learned growing up from his father and his friend's father, the latter of which is the rich dad in the title in the simplest manner. Those lessons include how you don't need to make a lot of money to get rich, defines assets and liabilities, and explains to parents why schools won't teach your kids what they need to know about personal finance. Robert Kiyosaki has challenged and changed the way tens of millions of people around the world think about money. With perspectives that often contradict conventional wisdom, Robert has earned a reputation for straight talk, irreverence, and courage. He is regarded worldwide as a passionate advocate for financial education. This is one of the best personal finance books to read of all time and my personal favorite. If you are a teenager starting to learn about finance, then this book is for you. If you are a student, then do read How to Manage Finances Effectively as a Student. The 4th book you must read is Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin. This book has sold more than 1 million copies and outlines an easy-to-follow 9-step plan to transition your relationship with money. Whether it's how to get out of debt, get started investing, how to build wealth, or even save money by practicing Robin's signature mindfulness technique, this read has you covered. This is why it is regarded as one of the top finance books of all time. Number 5. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This read is an interesting delve into the psychology of money. It also explains how your ego, preconceived notions, and even your pride can affect your decisions around money. This is obviously dangerous while managing your investment portfolio. This book provides a range of advice and resources to help you battle unconscious biases. It contains 19 short stories which demonstrate how to manage these biases effectively. Housel is a partner at the Collaborative Fund and has worked as a columnist at the Wall Street Journal. No wonder that his book ranks amongst the best finance books of all time. Number 6. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley and William Danko. Money buys clothes. Clothes don't buy anything. This is why you should always buy cars. Book vacations. Answer from the profits and never spend the principal. That is the basic premise of this book. Build profits, then enjoy them, but don't spend principal on anything. 9. The Bible. I have read the Bible cover to cover and have had a great time doing it. I recommend everyone to read the entire Bible at least once in his or her life. If you don't, then you are missing out on some of the greatest stories ever written in history. Number 7. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. Philip Fisher is held in high regard as one of the most eminent investors of all time. His immense success has earned him recognition and respect worldwide. His investment philosophies, introduced almost 40 years ago, are not only studied and applied by today's financiers and investors, but are also regarded by many as gospel. This book is invaluable reading and has been since it was first published in 1958, which is why it is considered one of the best money books of all time. Number 8. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. I won't teach you how to be rich, but Ramit Sethi will. Being rich isn't about not spending money at all. This book explains that you can spend your money guilt-free as long as you have it invested and allocated properly. It talks about how to deal with all the common money pitfalls, from paying off student loans to how to save every month, and even how to talk your way out of late fees. This 10th anniversary edition includes updated views on technology, money, and psychology, as well as some success stories of readers who have actually gotten rich from reading. You guessed it, Sethi's book. This is one for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and share. It's what helps me create more content.